Welcome to 3624 Hoyt Street. This updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout inside, as well as an updated kitchen and bathrooms. It's located in Northeast Columbia, near Arcadia Lakes. It's convenient to I-20, I-277, in both downtown Columbia and Northeast Columbia amenities, and also Fort Jackson. We're outside in the front yard. You have a couple of mature trees out here. The driveway is just gravel and sand off to the right side, and then you have a sidewalk leading up to the front door. The entry is covered as you approach, and then as you step inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring that has been updated throughout the property. You step into the living room or family room, which is a nice size. You have a ceiling fan in here, a couple of windows here in the front and left. Continue into the kitchen, which has a black electric stove and refrigerator. You do have a small area here where you could put sort of a small cafe table and chairs, and then updated sink fixtures as well as lighting fixtures throughout. And then you step out to the backyard, which does have some partial fencing but is not fully enclosed, so do keep that in mind, but it is a nice size. And then back inside, off of the living room, where you get to the hall, you have the full bathroom, which has a single vanity, an updated shower and tub enclosure. You can see updated lighting in there as well. And then 2 bedrooms at the beginning of the hall off the hallway. So you can see both of those have ceiling fans, the closet over here. And the one we were just in faces the front. This one faces the backyard. And this one does have a pretty large walk-in closet. This home has been, at some point, enlarged past its original floor plan. It starts kind of somewhere in here, as you can see. So it probably would have been a 2-bedroom, but see, now you have 3 full bedrooms and also 2 full baths. A laundry room here at the end of the hall, full-size washer dryer connections, and the water heater and breaker panels tucked back there as well. There actually is a cabinet you can see here behind the door above the water heater as well. And then part of the addition as well is the primary suite that's at the back of the home, which is quite large again for the size of an older home like this. You have a ceiling fan in here, 2 closets, and you can see that it also has its own private bathroom, which has the single vanity. And you have a mirror and updated lighting, and also the shower and tub over here. So that completes our tour of this home at 3624 Hoyt Street in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.